So Rebecca from the state park gave us some advice that we should check this place out. The Coffee Mariposa Factory. Well, I get smooth coffee already, so let's go and check it out.
The Mariposa Coffee Company is located off the historic Highway 49, just outside Yosemite National Park. A small family-owned with its rustic gold miner charm and preserved by time in this rural mountain community. One may think that it has been here for generations, but the company hasn't even reached their 30th anniversary. After the earthquake of 1989, a Bay Area family headed by Jerry Caputo was invited by his father to visit Yosemite. On the way, they stopped by an antique store and learned that the owners wanted to sell it. His wife fell in love with the place, and since their home had been condemned by the earthquake, they bought it. Within months, the family moved in, and with a fresh start, Jerry looked into what the area needed. He learned that Yosemite Park bought and sold 170,000 pounds of coffee. If he can learn to be a coffee roaster, he can get into the business. So, on the fall of 1991, the Mariposa Coffee Company was born, without any background with coffee or the industry. Jerry took an hour coffee class and realized his instructor was contradicting himself. So Jerry decided to do the opposite way the industry was doing. They built a coffee roaster by hand, using recycled materials, and called it Franken Roaster, which they still use to this day. They began the long, grueling process of learning to roast the perfect batch of coffee. It was a trial and error. With lots of hard work, the coffee came out clear, crispier, brighter, with flavor that lingers. He defied the rules of coffee making and made it his own, with a unique, innocent touch. He was unsure if people will like it, but they did. California Coffee Institute called it the future of coffee roasting technology. Today, people from Mariposa bring in their friends to have this unique experience. The Mariposa Coffee Company instantly became a tradition and part of this mountain community. A continuing family business with Jerry, the roaster, his daughter, a partner, and his youngest daughter focus on the marketing and networking. As stated on their site, as a family-run business, we pride ourselves on not only roasting the highest quality, handcrafted coffees, but on infusing our family values into everything we do. We did taste some of their coffee. While me and my dad, we don't drink coffee, so we ended up trying their hot chocolate.
Hindi naman pala na-ratified ng Congress eh. Reservation.
It's pretty good. It has some taste of coffee in it, but overall, so what do you think, Dad?
Yes, bros.
Jerry was the kind owner who entertained our family and gave us a quick trek to a sacred site to the Miwoks. Spirit Tree. This tree is more than 500 years old. The Sierra Miwok believe that this tree has a spiritual connection to the earth. Today, The Miwoks still visit the ceremonial site and perform their rituals. The tree was breathtaking, and it has some kind of aura when you are close to it. It was truly magnificent.
Morning has broken like the first morning. Blackbird has spoken like the first bird. Praise for the singing, praise for the morning, praise for them springing fresh from the word.
So this wraps up our tour of Mariposa Coffee Factory. So next time guys, bye.
So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment.
Hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell. Come on, guys, hit the bell for notifications. And don't forget to share.
And like.